Nanobabakabalen, welcome to Pampanga. For today's video, another staycation naman po ang i-introduce namin sa inyo. This is Joree's Private Resort located dito sa may Floridablanca, Pampanga. Check out my background. Guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Dito tayo ngayon kung saan ito yung sleeping quarters ng resort na to. So the property has two sections. So yung first section is ito yon guys. Meron tayong tatlong double deck na bed. Yung each bed natin is actually a double size bed. This room can accommodate up until 12-person entertainment natin. So notice meron tayong napalaking LCD TV. That's also an Android TV. Now, on the other side of the property is another room. This room naman has two double deck na bed. And then meron din tayong parang mezzanine at saka bed on the floor. Ayan, ayun siya. So this room can accommodate up until 12-person pa rin. Actually, the place is really big or spacious that you can actually extend yung sleeping capacity nito with some mattresses. Sa mga nagustuhan ko dito sa resort natin guys is this function area. So notice no, meron tayong I think this is small to medium space for your event. So just imagine guys, for example, you're gonna be spending a birthday celebration or anniversary or even yung mga non-personal event like team building, pwede po sila dito. I think the place can accommodate up until 50. Very comfortable na yung space na yon. Also here, meron tayong outdoor entertainment which is this one. Meron tayong video okay dito. So, ayun guys, dito sa Joree's Private Resort, meron po tayong dalawang swimming pool area. So, the first one is near the villa or yung sleeping quarters natin. I think that one is small swimming pool area for kids. And then, sa likod ko naman guys is a medium to large swimming pool area. So, nakikita nyo, ayan guys, it has still a section for kids, no? Siguro may square doon na it's around 2 feet or 3 feet. And then in the middle, meron tayong bubble jet jacuzzi. Para sa akin, no? Napakaganda ng water quality nito. At the same time, yung mga fountain and yung waterfalls nito, yung artificial waterfalls, adds that really therapeutic sound or experience na talaga namang mas mag-enjoy ka na mag-swimming dito. Other amenities dito includes yung dalawang medium-sized kubo natin. So this kubo na to, you can actually have your food or communal area din para magkwentuhan. And then meron din tayong mga benches at saka mga outdoor seats that fits. For example, if you wanna relax while watching yung mga nagsiswimming. Now, mga amenities na to included lahat once you book po dito sa Joree's Private Resort.